Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you and a welcome to the class, right? So let's start today's class, right? So in the previous video we have discussed about the process of selection, okay, and we did the steps of selection test also, right? So the remaining steps, remaining process of selection steps we will continue in today's video, okay. So the third process of selection step is employment selection, okay. See, after the selection of the employees, okay, when the candidates will select by the organization, okay, through the selection test, okay, it can be written or it can be any exercise. So after the selection, right, the next point comes for the interview, okay. The next steps comes, that is interview, okay. They have to conduct the interview, and to conduct the interview, right, this is the last step. And to conduct the interview, a group of panel, okay, who will take the interviews of the employees, okay, a group of people, panel, we call panel, okay, PANNEL. A group of panel will be there who will conduct the interview for these employees who have specified knowledge for that particular field, okay. Suppose they are taking the interview of MBA students, okay, MBA, those who have done MBA. So regarding MBA, okay, so those peoples, okay, will be, the managers will be there, and other qualified, top class qualified group of peoples will be there who will conduct the interviews, and they will ask different type of questions to the candidate, okay. The interviews will not be a simple interview, it will be a very tough interview, and this interview and the written test, both there is a very big difference in the written test which they have done in the selection test, okay, and the interview, both will be considered differently. Why? In written test, okay, in written test you are writing what is coming in your mind. Even you can write something different also. Different means that extra also, okay, to show your smartness, like that, okay. But when you give interview will conduct face to face, okay. When you give interview in front of the people, then what happened that time? That time the person will judge your confidence, okay, your confidence, your overconfidence, your knowledge, your skills, your personality, all will be shown in the time of interview, okay. So interview is a very important part of any selection, okay. So those group of people's panel, I will say a group of panel, okay, they will take the interview, okay. Yes, right, 1 second, okay. Yes, and interview, through this interview it will show the confidence level also of the candidate, how confident the candidate is, how confidently he is talking to the people. Suppose 5 people are there, okay, who are taking the interview. Every person will ask different type of questions to that candidate, and that time the confidence level of the candidate will show, okay, that he is capable or not, okay. So employment selection is the process of the selection, okay. In this, what will happen? The interview will take place, the final interview will take place in the employment selection, okay. And there a group of people, a panel will be there, okay, who will conduct the interviews, right. Now the next one is checking references and background. Checking references and background. Now they have taken the interview of the candidate, okay. Now yes, they have asked everything. Now I will give you one example, like when we make our passport. Okay, suppose I want to make my passport, right? So they will ask all the details of mine, right? They will take my interview also, they will ask some few questions also. But next side, what they want some references. Okay, reference they want, 2 reference, 1 reference. Okay, so we have to give some reference, okay, of somebody, right? Similarly, in the organization also, when the management has taken the interview, right, after that what they will do, they will check the references and the background of the candidate. Okay, interview, I am taking the interview of your, okay, you are telling me so many things about you, okay, and through that I have judged what I feel, what you have told me, okay, according to that only I have judged you. Okay, but then also organization needs 2 references. Okay, why they need 2 references? That they will ask after they will conduct the interview. Okay, they will ask those 2 references that you have given them. Okay, they will ask some questions to them also. And why they will ask? From those references they will come to know about your character, about your behavior, about your background, that from which background you have come, okay, your family, okay, everything they will come to know about those references. What may be something you will not tell in the interview, okay, the employee will not, the candidate will not tell in the interview. So though from references they will come to know those extra things also, those extra details also from the references the candidate has given. Okay, so that's why they check the references and backgrounds, because checking the background of the candidate is very important. Okay, what is the background, what is his character, any past, what his good qualities, or is there any bad quality is there or not. Okay, so everything they should know from these references. Okay, so this is the process of selection where they check the references and the background of the candidate. Okay, now the 5th one is selection decision. Okay, now selection decision, now they have taken the interview. Okay, in this they have taken the interview, the manager who has conducted the interview, they have the list with them. Okay, so they know the, suppose here 5 candidates they have selected. Okay, 5 candidates they have selected in the interview. Now after the interview they have checked their references and all. Okay, now after the checking the references also, okay, what they will do, they will, after checking the references, they will do the selection on the basis of the interviews and on the basis of the references. Okay, the manager will select the candidate on all these bases. Okay, which basis? The selection, the interview which have taken, okay, in that they will judge the knowledge, the skills, the confidence of the candidate, okay, and the references which they have given, right, 2 references, because of that, on the basis of that they will select, and after that they will take the final decision. Okay, they will select the candidate finally. Out of 5, the best one, okay, the manager will select the best one, okay, for their particular job, right. So these are the first 3. Let me erase this. There are 8 process of selection, 5 we have done. Okay, now the 6th one is medical examination. Medical examination. The seventh one is job offer. And the eighth one is contract of employment. Contract of employment. Okay, now after the last one, selection decision. Now they have select the candidate. Okay, right, through interviews, through test and through the references, at last they have select the candidate, the best candidate they have selected. Now after selecting the candidate, now the one thing that the organization they will do the medical examination of the candidate before offering the job offer. Okay, before offering the job offer to the candidate, right, the organization will ask the candidate to go for the medical examination. Okay, medical examination means that they have to take the full body checkup. Okay, now full body checkup can be done in the organization itself. The organization will have their own doctors. Okay, so those doctors will come and they will take the full checkup of the candidate. Okay, or the organization can say to the employee, to the candidate, that you go and take the full body checkup. Okay, whatever the test they will tell them, okay, tell him, so they can take the test outside also, right? So that is very important. In small organization maybe they don't do, but big organizations they do the medical examination. Okay, examination, it is not that written test, no, it is that body checkup. Okay, that is very important. Why they do? Because if a candidate is having some disease, okay, so the organization should know about all those things regarding about the health of the candidate. Okay, that's why they do this medical examination. Okay, now after the medical examination, the next is that is job offer. Okay, after the medical examination, the candidate will get the job offer, okay, from the organization. Okay, job offer. What is job offer? That is the appointment letter. Okay, appointment letter will given to the candidate. The organization will send the appointment letter to the candidate. Okay, and in that it will be mentioned that from which date the candidate has to join the job. Okay, all the details will be there in that job offer. The salary, pay scale, everything will be mentioned there. Okay, right, and according to that the candidate can join the job. Right, this is the appointment letter. Job offer means appointment letter. Okay, now the last is contract of employment. Now contract signing will be there. Okay, contract signing means there will be all the rules and regulation will be there in the contract. Okay, the contract which will be given from the organization. In that all the details will be written. What is your salary, how many leaves you can take in a year or in a month, okay, etc, etc, all the details, pay scale, okay, everything. And through contracts, at the time of contract signing also, the candidate can discuss about the salary matters. Okay, salary matters with the manager, with the management. Okay, so contract signing is that, contract of employment is that. In that what they do, in basically the details is mentioned, all the details regarding the job is mentioned in that employment, in that contract signing. Okay, that when you have to join, okay, what are the rules and regulation of the organization, what is the dress code, what is your salary, how many leaves you can take, etc., etc. All the details from X to Z, all the details will be mentioned in that contract. This is the process after the selection. Okay, after the interview, all right, this medical examination will be there, job offer will be there, then at last the contract signing, contract of employment will be there. Okay, so these are the process of selection which we have studied. 8 process of selection is there, and in between selection test there are also how many steps? I think 5 to 6 steps are there, right, which we have studied yesterday, previous video. Okay, in the next video we will do something else. Okay, means we will study the further topics from this chapter, right. Till then, go through it, revise it, see the video, try to learn it. Okay, and the rest one we will do in the next video. Thank you so much.